presenting the 2011 Volkswagen Jetta SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: bumpers body color, split folding rear seat, front anti-roll bar, driver door bin, telescoping steering wheel, dual front impact airbags, illuminated entry, panic alarm, and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.